People are earning thousands of dollars just by creating and selling ebooks. Market size of ebook industry in 2024 is USD 17.20 billion, and it's estimated that in 2029 the market size will increase by 4.78% and becomes USD 21.73 billion. That means the demand of ebooks are increasing rapidly. This is the fastest growing market in Asia Pacific right now. You missed Bitcoin in 2013, you missed Etsy in 2020, you missed affiliate marketing in 2022. But now don't miss this opportunity. You are just one step away to become millionaire with digital products. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a free course on how to start selling ebooks. But before this, let's understand what is digital product. Digital product refers to a product or service that exists in digital format which we cannot touch. For examples, ebooks, music, digital art, software, online courses, etc. Now in this free course, I will be sharing how to create an ebook from scratch, how to set up your online store, and how to market that product to actually get you the sales and earn money. So take a look on the ebook I have created, and this is what you have to make. Till now I have earned a lot of money just by selling ebooks. People are charging so much money just for these ebooks. So first of all, we need Canva for creating an ebook. You can download Canva from the link in the description. Now go to Canva and search for ebook. And this interface will open up for you. You can see so many different templates that we can use for free. So I will search for the best one that we can use. There are some pro templates which we're not gonna use because we have to pay for them. And there are tons of free templates to use. Now I am finding this one pretty good to use. So I will click to customize this template. And we will land to this page where we can customize it and then download it. I am making my ebook on dropshipping the ultimate guide. That means the topic of my ebook is dropshipping the ultimate guide. You have to choose a topic in which you have some sort of knowledge, and you can also take some help from ChatGPT. I have a good amount of knowledge on dropshipping, so that's going to be my topic of ebook. Now here I am going to change the heading to dropshipping the ultimate guide. And put a picture related to this topic here. You can even put multiple pictures on a page, but make sure that it didn't look over. You can put some background and change the background color also, like the way I'm doing. After few minutes, this is how my ebook looks like. I changed the same background color of every page. I changed pictures and heading. I also changed this index. But I didn't change inside content because it will take much more time. And this video is just to make you understand about the concept. In the next or next to next video, I might do a challenge of digital products, and there I will change the inside content as well. So stay tuned to my channel for that video. And now I'm going to download this ebook. Click on share and then click on download. And now the very important part is to convert this PNG file into PDF standard. Then just click on download. Now we have to make a website where we're gonna list our product. We need a product photo in our website, so let's make that first. Again, go to Canva and search for ebook mockup. You will see bunch of ebook mockup pop up for you. Let's select the one. And this one is pretty decent, I guess, so let's customize this. Now whenever customer lands to your website, they will see this mockup and then buy it. So make sure it is eye-catchy and minimalist. Change the heading as per your topic. I am typing dropshipping the ultimate guide. And here, how to start dropshipping now. After some changes, my ebook mockup looks like this. Now simply download this. Now let's hop on to how to build a website for your ebook. And for this, I'm using Hostinger. It is a great platform for making the website. I will put a link in the description so you can click on that link and directly come to this page. And let me tell you the reason why I'm using Hostinger only. And this is because it has AI website builder, which is very helpful, and in 5 to 10 minutes your website will be ready with the help of this. Now one question arises in your mind, and that is, there are so many AI website builder, we can choose from that too. But listen, out of all AI website builder, this is the most affordable with the most features, so you can go with this one. Now this is their AI website builder plans. You can read top features, AI tools and e-commerce of their respective plans. See, both have AI website builder, but so many things are not there in this plan. And when we come to e-commerce, this plan doesn't have any e-commerce features. And we need e-commerce feature for our website. On the other hand, this plan has every e-commerce feature. So I would advise you to go with this plan. And once you click here, you will see this page. So let's click on this plan because it has free domain in it. Then just go down here and apply my coupon code EarningTricks10 for more additional discount. After buying that plan, you will come to this page and here click Start Now and click on AI Builder and then claim a free domain, as this plan offers a free domain for your website. Click on Select and write here the domain name you want. Then click on Search. If it's available, click on Continue. Okay, so listen, I already bought Hostinger plan few months ago. So at that time I filled all these details and now I am using it. My that plan is for 48 months. That's why I didn't buy a new plan for this video, because that will be waste for me. I arranged some screenshots of the following steps so that I can make you understand more clearly with the pictures. These are the exact steps which you guys need to follow. I hope you are okay with that. Now after continue, they will ask you about your site, what's your brand name, what's your website type, and a brief description. So here I will type Book Fusion as my brand name, and here I will type online store, and description be like an ebook selling website on different topics like finance, business, drop shipping, digital products, etc. And then click on create a website. Now this is a kind of a prompt you are giving to AI to make a website for you. Now we are just gonna wait for AI to generate our website. Now this is the website AI generated for you. You can customize this according to you, like you can change the background color, change the text, and even font and pictures. Like you can customize everything you want. After customizing your website, set up your online store by adding the ebook you have created. Click on this icon for online store. Now click on this and then this. Firstly name your store, then select country and currency. Now simply add products. Click here, then drag and drop the image. This is the place where we have to upload the ebook mockup we have made. After uploading the images, type title, subtitle, then write the description with the help of AI writer. Then you can choose whether you have to enable or disable add to back button for the product. Then set the price and click on save. Now for launching your website, click on go live and a website is launched. Now click on store settings and then payments, and then choose the one which is convenient for you. Now when we are done with everything, our online store has made, ebooks are made. It's time to get sales from social media marketing on this ebook and earn money. See, there are two ways to get traffic to your website. One is organic and other one is paid. In paid method, you have to run Instagram ads, Facebook ads to drive traffic to your website. But I will suggest you to opt for organic method as a beginner, as it requires no money to start. And by the time when you get some experience and earn some money organically, then use paid method. See, this is what I have done as a beginner, and you can do that too. There are so many ways to get people to your website, but my favorite is Pinterest. It is one of the largest search engine and millions of people daily search on Pinterest. Just by using Pinterest, I grow my affiliate marketing business. If you want to see how I grow my affiliate marketing business in just 7 days, go and check out my previous video. You can use Instagram Reels and Facebook to drive large amount of traffic organically to your website. You will thank yourself tons of time in future if you start this today only. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If it is, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to motivate me. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.